life on the best days is hard. And so life where you are constantly insecure about your ability to feed yourself or your children, or insecure about your ability to pay your rent, all creates a level of stress. And that perpetual stress can become toxic.
Messiah had just turned 4. After we moved from our apartment, there would be times where he would be like, "Mommy, I want to go home. I want to go home." And I would literally hold in my tears because it hurted so bad to hear him say that, and I couldn't do anything about it. That was really hard for me. That was real hard.